Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning in. So today we're going to take a look in the box of the UPONUN Intelligent Solar Street Light. Yeah, it's a solar street light, not the ones that are like, 30 feet high, but this is going to be a solar, somewhat looking street light, lamp, light post type deal that you can put in your yard and will provide plenty of down lighting in different areas. And being that it's solar, you don't have to worry about plugging it in or running wires on the ground, anything like that. So this right here, Ariel, quiet! Hey, what's up? Alan here from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for tuning back in. Today we're taking a look at the UPONUN Intelligent Solar Street Light. Now, it's not one of the 30-foot high street lights we see, a lot of times on the streets, but this is a solar, somewhat like lamp street light that can go in your yard. You don't have to worry about running wires. Gonna provide plenty of down lighting. Now, it says that it actually has dual color, switchable, high brightness LED. It's waterproof, IP65, so yes, you can use it outside. Smart remote control, lighting time adjustable, brightness adjustable, easy install, charging indicator, and a 120-degree beam. So it does have a little bit of weight to it, but I'm looking forward to checking this out. And I like this because where I have either the shed or the kids' play area, getting lighting over there could be somewhat of a challenge. So I thought this would be good. Put it up a little bit higher, provide plenty of light, either by that or maybe even by where we have a hot tub that has almost no light. So it's like a dark myth when you're over there at night. You have no idea what's going on. Not good. So here we go. In the box we can see that there's some lovely foam and bubble wrap. Wow, that is a pretty big light. I'm gonna save that for last to show you. What else we got here? Okay, so we have our mounting brackets and some bolts, as well as a remote control right here. And it looks like it does include the battery. Just need to, let's see, yep, there is a battery tab, so you just pull that out. Good to go. You have different hours on that. Nice looking remote. Don't want to lose that. A little thank you. The user manual warranty says a lifetime worry-free warranty. All that fun stuff. Easy to install. And let's go ahead and see what the actual light looks like. Now this has a good amount of weight to it. Pretty cool. So look at that solar panel right there. This is really awesome, actually. You usually don't see a lot of lights like this. It's usually the smaller ones. That is a pretty decent sized solar panel. And check out the LED light on the bottom. So I'm going to guess that is really bright. And then we have, I guess that's either the motion, I don't know if it's motion sensor, but it's going to detect light when it gets dark. So I'm guessing, yes, it's probably motion that it will pick up. Really well crafted and constructed here for sure. Metal there on the top, plastic on top where the solar panel is, but really heavy duty bracket. It does not come with a pole, so you're going to have to buy some type of like metal conduit if you want it set up like that, or using the different mounting hardware, you can probably attach it to, like a shed or a wall or something like that. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to check this out and see how bright this is and test it out in the review to see how easy it is to install, should you pick it up or not, and just the overall quality. So this is the UPONUN Intelligent LED Street Light, and it's solar powered. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do, and I will see you soon.